Thanks for joining us again at Mumford Restoration, and we are wanting to show you some of the things that are in the shop, the odd things that we restore. Please visit our site at mumfordrestoration.com or go to our YouTube channel. Here we have a barber chair, and this is in the midstream. We have done all of the chrome work. You can see that the chrome has all been brightened and polished. It's a Belmont, and so you can take a look at the photos we have of all the different parts of it. You can see here some of the original fabric, which was a red vinyl, and here's the headrest. And so we're going to be completely reupholstering this piece now that the fabric, or now that the chrome has been completed. So we're looking at a black vinyl with white stripes are going to be in the back and the seat. And then you see here, this has an original ashtray, and here is the chrome, and then on this side is the lever, and you can see that the base has been painted white with black stripes to coordinate with the black and white stripes on the piece. Here is the padded seat and the padded footrest, and here's some of the original cotton. So please take a look at this. Once we have it completed, we'll be making a new video, and thanks for watching. Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're showing you things in the shop that we have worked on. We're excited to show you the things that have come through and have turned out well. Right now we have a barber chair. This is a really cool project. You can see that the chrome has all been polished. We've done the repainting of the background, and we have totally changed the design of the seat. You've seen that it was formerly a red vinyl, and then our upholstery team has done a beautiful stitching, and then you can see that even the headrest has a paper cover that goes over it, so we can pull the paper off and see the black vinyl. It also reclines, so we wanted to show you that when you turn this handle, it reclines to show, well, here you've got your head protection and you're able to do the shaving, and it looks like it might be from the 20s or 30s. And it also raises up and down. You can see that we've completely restored the porcelain base and repainted, and done a beautiful job of changing it from a red vinyl that looked kind of cheesy to a beautiful black with white stitching. So this is a great project. I couldn't be more proud of our team. Thank you for watching.